Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hikmah. I'm from Group 5 ICP Geography Education. And then now, this is my video. I want to explain about my material is Tengger tribe. And then this is my explain. Geographic condition of Tengger tribes. Tengger tribe is a tribe that is around Mount Bromo. The population lives around Pasuruan, Probolinggo, and Malang district. The area of Tengger is approximately 14 km from north to south and 20 to 30 km from east to west. Above the altitude between 1000 meter to 36 and 75 meter. Tengger caldera is the largest sand sea located at an altitude of 2003. Next, history of the Tengger tribe. According to legend, the origin of the Tengger tribe is closely related to the story of Roro Anteng and Joko Seger. The name Tengger itself is taken from the names of both Teng from the suffix Roro Anteng and Ger from the suffix Joko Seger. The Tengger people believe that they are descendants of Roro Anteng and Joko Seger. The Tengger tribe originated from the Majapahit kingdom. At the time, Majapahit suffered a setback, as expressed by M. Junaidi Al-Ansori that in 30 and 64 Gajah Mada died. However, Majapahit under the Hayam Wuruk government managed to maintain its glory until he died in 30 and 89. For the Tengger tribe, Mount Brahma, or commonly called Bromo, is believed to be a sacred mountain. The people of Tengger tribe really respect Mount Bromo. They believe that their ancestors are inside Mount Bromo, so many of the ceremony they perform are part of ancestor worship performed at the foot of Mount Bromo. Now, the majority of the Tengger tribe people are Hindu and some other are Muslim, Christian, and Buddhist. A West ideal. 1. Mahayana Hindu beliefs. Tengger community has a religion, a belief called Hindu Mahayana. Mahayana Hindu began to be known when the kingdom of Singosari. Then, this religion also developed during the Majapahit kingdom. Mahayana Hindu worship Brahma as a god they believe exists and protect the Tengger community. The conversation of this religion did not entirely make the Tengger tribe forget their initial beliefs. The Tengger people still practice Buddhism. It also made native percent of Hindu follow the Mahayana Hindu teaching of the Tengger tribe, resulting in a fusion of religion between Hindu Mahayana and Hindu Parsi. Second, Mount Bromo trash. Mount Bromo, precisely the crater of Mount Bromo, as a sacred place of the Tengger tribe that is used as animal offering and crops at the Kasada ceremony. The offerings will later be thrown into the crater of Mount Bromo. The ceremony was held to honor the son of Jaka Seger and Rara Anteng, is Raden Kusuma, who had sacrificed to protect the Tengger tribe from devastating natural disasters. The third, ancestors' beliefs. The Tengger tribe as a tribe that still believes in the existence of the spirit of their ancestors. Most people still perform a series of rituals related to respect for the spirit of the ancestors. These three principles are worship of God, worship of ancestors, and worship of the universe. Strong belief in ancestral spirit is strongly held by the Tengger tribe. Every year, the Tengger tribe holds a Kasada ceremony, a ceremony to worship ancestral spirit in the crater of Mount Bromo. 4. The influence of Islam on Hindu. In the Tengger tribe in Italy, the native Tengger tribe lived on the coast in Probolinggo and Lumajang. They lived there during the Majapahit kingdom, still adhering to the teaching of Hindus. Then Islam began to enter the Majapahit kingdom. Waisya Hindu then looked for a place in the crater of Mount Bromo, far from migrants. However, over time the Islamic religion began to develop rapidly in the Tengger tribe because of the openness and pleasure of the Tengger people with trading activities. Finally, in the Tengger tribe, there are also people who follow the teaching of Islam. Muslims in the Tengger tribe still believe. Required action. First, Kasada ceremony. Kasada ceremony is a Hindu ceremony performed by the Tengger tribe, but not performed by other Hindus. This ceremony is very closely related to the story of the origin of the Tengger community, especially about the legend of Roro Anteng and Joko Seger. After marriage, Roro Anteng and Joko Seger really want to have children. They finally began Dewata to have 25 children. The request was granted, but on condition that the 25 years old her children must be offered to Dewa Bromo. When he grew up, Kusuma, the son of Roro Anteng and Joko Seger, plunged into the crater of Mount Bromo and asked his brother to make a sacrifice to the crater of Mount Bromo on the 10th month of the full moon. The sacrifice in the form of food, money, and clothes. Kasada ceremony process. They are the three important places in the Kasada celebration processing is the traditional Shams house, Poten Luhur temple, and the crater of Mount Bromo. Second, Karo ceremony. Karo ceremony is a ceremony performed by the Tengger tribe community to glorify ancestral tradition. Aside from being a traditional ceremony, this ceremony is also a form of gratitude for the Tengger tribe towards the ancestors. In this Karo celebration, there is a dance called Sodoran. The Sodoran dance is a song where two humans meet. Ari Yunento stated that the symbol of the Sodoran dance, which is only performed on the Karo holiday, is marked by a bamboo fiber stranded bamboo stick with palawija. Among the Tengger tribe, the grain which is broken from inside the stick is believed to be a fortune member and offspring from family couples who do not have children. Third, Yunan ceremony. Yunan ceremony is a ceremony carried out by the Tengger tribe every 5 years or very long time according to the Tengger tribe calendar. This Yunan ceremony can be called Mayubumi. Other than this ceremony can also be called a village cleansing to avoid all kinds of disturbance. In addition to pleading for the forgiveness of the spirit of his ancestor in this ceremony, all human beings throughout the world are also requested to be given eternal safety, prosperity, and peace. Every Tengger citizen is obligated to carry out this ceremony, which aims to free people from suffering, stain and shine, be shown the right path, become strong and authoritative human beings, and option prosperity and peace. Sacrifices in the form of buffalo always occur in the Yunan ceremony. C. Bicycle or artifact objectives. First, Pura Luhur Poten Bromo. Temple in Italy, this temple was the residence of Ida Sanghyang Widiwasya. Now, this temple is made as a place of worship for the Tengger tribe Hindus. Pura Luhur Poten became a place worship for Lord Bromo. According to Komang Agung Ruspawan, this temple Poten Luhur has 3 different regions and this respective function, including is A. Main Mandala, which is a place of worship and prayer, B. Madala Mandala, a place of repetition and accompaniment of a prayer ceremony, and C. Madala Nista, which is a transitional place from outside into the temple. Second, Ongkek. Ongkek is a place for offering containing agricultural produce, livestock, and chickens. The fire is used in the Kasada ceremony. Cows will be thrown into the crater of Mount Bromo, which aims to honor Raden Kusuma, who are willing to sacrifice himself as a sacrifice so that there is no great disaster in the Tengger tribe. Petra dolls or Pitra Petra. Dolls are used in all wedding ceremonies. Petra placed in a sitting position. Petra dolls have a height of 3 to 4 meters made of flowers, plants, and fabric. The side bank is used in marriage ceremonies. Petra also exists at entas-entas ceremony. Petra in the entas-entas ceremony function as a pledge of spirit. Next, in a series of entas-entas ceremony, Petra dolls will be burned at Impression. Impression is a place where ancestral spirit dwell. For the Tengger Tribe House, the Tengger Tribe community style live in homes that are fairly original buildings. The house stand with no level, standing straight parallel to the ground. In the yard of the house, there are no tall trees. The Tengger house is 4 to 8 meters wide, 15 to 20 meters long, made of planks or stem with a step tile roof with only 1 or 2 windows. The parts of the Tengger tribe are a bit different from other Javanese house. In this house, there is a place called sanggar. Sanggar is a place for offering and storing heirlooms. The studio also functions as a place of prayer at the dead. Conclusion: the geographical condition of the Tengger tribe influenced their belief in the existence of Mount Bromo. The Tengger tribe community considers the sacred Mount Bromo, which is believed to be the abode of respect and ancestral spirit. The existence of ancestral spirit needs to be recognized and respected. The Tengger tribe people believe that the spirit of their ancestors settled in certain place. The ceremony in the Tengger tribe is the result of combination of Hindu Vaishya and Hindu Parsi. The Tengger tribe has a lot of things involved in traditional ceremonies. These objects are made as objects that accompany and become an important part in the traditional ceremony of the Tengger tribe. Okay, this is my explanation in this video, and then thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.